Okay, I know I've disappeared a little while, but it is what it is. Basically, my missus, she stole my car. She stole the TT, and I haven't really had it in the garage to do all the work that I wanted to do on it. So this is why we're here anyway. But today we're going to install a vacuum hose, one of them which is split. I tried to bodge it up, but it wasn't going to work. So now I've got the replacement part for it. I'm going to put that on, and I'm just going to just fix up the plastic cowling around the engine bay because it's got none of that there. So yeah, I just want to give you a little video to show you that I'm doing something and I'm not disappearing. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so we just finished that. That was really simple. Took about 5 minutes really. But this is one of the breather hose, one of the vacuum hoses that we replace. Nothing major really, just goes round here into the diverter valve and onto this solenoid. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just trying to eradicate any leaks that might pop up. So yeah, really easy stuff. So the next thing is now is just to put on the plastic that goes along around here on the car. Now the common fault with these cars is that the screws break and they wear out and they don't fit the holes no more, and the little holders, they go missing. So I've got a little replacement kit that I'm going to be using. So here are your standard screws for these cars, and they chew out, break, they don't really work properly. So what I'm going to be doing is replacing it with my kit of screws and washers. So we're going to be refitting the plastics here with my little screw kit that I'm going to have available on my website. So it's a really simple counter washer screw kit. So we're going to be putting that in and fitting it and making sure that it all goes back neat and tidy, because this is what I've been waiting for. done. All done. And how easy was that? And I think personally, these little stainless steel studs look a lot smarter on the car. I like the original look, if I'm being honest. I don't really like too much going on, but for such a simple little thing, really, really smartens up the car. Better than them broken black ones that are all twisted up and all that. So you can get these available on my website. The link will be in the description below. These little alloy screws, they're stainless steel, so they're going to last the test of time. So yeah, just a little quick little catch up video really. I'm going to try and steal it back off my missus. No. And finish up things on this car. Like I said before, I am chasing a boost leak on it. Sorry, a vacuum leak. There's air getting in from somewhere. I'm not sure where it is yet. So we may end up doing a oil catch can install. So I don't know if anyone wants to see that. Let me know. But yeah, we're back on working on it where we can. So I hope it helps. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'm old school. And let me know what you want to see on these videos. Thank you for watching.